Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. I miss you all so much. It's been a while here. And how are you? So if you haven't seen the previous video I posted on my YouTube channel, kindly do so you get a clue of what I am doing here. It's not a really much talking video. I just put a little details on how to make the sleeve, and here is the second design. The second design I'll be making this year for my brand, and this is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, I'm just trying to fit it in on my dress form, as you can see me doing here. So one is the gown also is one of my favorite design this year, made by me, and also this sleeve is just what is needed. So I just wanted it to be a mesh fabric, while the dress is a shaken chiffon, and underneath I put this lycra fabric, so it is giving that English style. So I just thought about rose design for the sleeve part. As you can see how beautiful and gorgeous this is. So this is like the first time I'm making this sleeve using mesh, and it's absolutely beautiful. So I'll just be fixing it now, and just stay tuned and watch to the end of this video so you get to see how it comes out, the result. So that's just it. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly please do so. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn your notification bell on to get notified each time I upload new videos just like this one. Yeah, I love it so much. As you can see on the mannequin, it's already been sewn into the dress. So I will put this on now, and how it fits, to just check it out. Here is it. As you can see how beautiful this is looking. Can you see that? And this is me flaunting my brand and my design. If you want to order for this, you can actually order for this from anywhere in the world, guys, and I will do well to give you the best service so far. And don't mind me, I'm just trying to showcase how talented I am dancing in my brand. Until I see you again in the next one, guys, I hope you're blessed. See you soon, guys. Thank you for always tuning in, and please do subscribe to this channel, like this video, comment, and share also with your loved ones so they get to see this lovely design and also patronize my brand. Yeah, guys, bye.